good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Tuning in for another video. In today's video, man, just a little general video, man. I pulled up at the shop. This intro done after the video. I just decided the footage was so long, man, I'm split up in two videos, cause I said make two separate things. But I pulling up at the shop today. Linked up with Terry, Lady Tank, as y'all can see by the thumbnail, talking about her car and all that plans she got for the car and all that stuff. And we shot 3 videos total. So the other video coming gonna be talking about her ride in the Camaro in depth and all of that. But it was so long, like I said, we don't have to split up in 2 videos and all that good stuff. But I want to show y'all the stuff that going on at the shop and all that in this vlog and all that good stuff. And I wanted to also on this vlog open up what I had got. So I'm gonna show y'all that at the end, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. 9 Monte Carlo. Got Jai on here working.
What's up?
Getting it right. See, I finally got over here, y'all. I show a subscriber too, man. I like to show everybody love. I can't remember using that. I know you'll comment though, man. It's a nice car. I want to show him some love. Put it on the vlog. Getting it done, man. I could have been at the car meet tomorrow too, man, but the weather got us. This what's in here now. Got meat getting put together, getting right, repaired, I should say. 6'9". This car been over here. It been over here before too, but he back. He done tore some stuff up, so he back. And that car clean. I showed y'all. You have to go back. It's a vlog early in the year. Clint sitting right here. Ooh, alright, hey, Clint. Hey man, you a pro mod now. Well, you got that outlaw hood. That hood touched the glass. Clint is a pro mod now, boy. Ooh, oh yeah, you ain't street league no more, Clint. Gotta add you to the race car game too now. My boy Dirty Works. And my boy, he won't buck. Oh, so Dirty Works want little crazy whips addiction. Oh, it going down. So Cuzzo, you see this vlog, your day's number, I guess. I guess your day's number. You see Clint got that pro mod hood, man. That thing touched the glass. You can't even see what's going on in there. But nah, Clint about to come out, y'all. This thing look good. And I hate that weather. I hate that weather got us, y'all. We're gonna have the car meet, but it's all good. It's all good. So yeah, we waiting on Terry to pull up. Then me and her gonna get this little video going. We're gonna go over here on the other side though, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna move stuff around. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we checking in. We just wrapped up another video for the Real Talk channel. Y'all definitely got it. It's your dream car. That Camaro, he likes Zach Camaro over there, her nephew. But yeah, like I said, we just wrapped up on the Real Talk channel. Y'all got to go check out her I ain't gonna say interview, conversation. Go check it out. It's the Out the Mud episode 2. Y'all know we did the first episode with CJ. Lady Tank, the second one, man, she got a hell of a story. So y'all got to go check it out. If you don't get motivated behind it, I don't know, like I said, but you're gonna have to go to the Life of J Malcolm channel, go check that out. I'm doing all of my people first. All of my people that close to me, I'm doing them first. And then we're gonna start getting into people that I just associate with. So but yeah, y'all check out Terry ride. Come on over here.
Jeep, y'all.
Her Jeep, go ahead and give us the rundown, cause we just talking about what she got planned on doing.
This is what you call stock Jeep with stickers.
Stock Jeep with stickers. She got the Lady Tank on there though.
Yeah, I got my name, y'all. As you can see, my accents are gonna be red and gray.
You gonna keep it the same color?
I'm gonna keep it the same color, but eventually I want to do a wrap on it because I want my idea for my Jeep. I want to make it look like a miniature tank. So
this
I
hard.
have already been picking out and putting things into my favorite basket. So, you know, of course the grill's gonna get changed out, the bumper's gonna get changed out. I'm gonna change out the lights.
You're gonna do the winch. You gonna do the winch in the front?
I am.
Okay.
But it's gonna be different. Like it's gonna really look like a tank. Just say that. change out my tires, rims. I'm gonna do black rims with, you know, red accents on them. But yeah, it's gonna look nice.
Right, so she getting this thing together. This a ride. This a Jeep. What?
This is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah.
Unlimited Sport.
Unlimited Sport. Is it fast?
It's fast. It has a little power.
Look, y'all. She said she gonna put a cold air intake. She got that part right.
Oh yeah.
She knew where it was at and everything.
I'm gonna go ahead and put my cold air intake on it, and I'm gonna put a turbo in it. So.
Oh, you going a turbo too? Oh, you trying to go fast?
I'm trying to go fast.
Yeah. She putting the turbo in here. She about to go fast, y'all.
Put my light bar and all that. So.
The LED light bar and everything. You already now it didn't come tinted though, did it? You tinted?
It didn't come tinted.
She got the tints on there already. So.
Got that 5% on there.
Hold on, 5%. Well, not
see nothing.
in the front too. Terry, you going to jail?
No, I'm just playing. So many cops ain't got me yet.
She got the limo, the presidential.
I'm gonna go find some wood to knock on.
Yeah, it dark for real too, y'all. And definitely at nighttime, you not seeing it in there.
Oh no, you're not seeing it. But the reason why they probably don't trip is because this, which is the plastic part on here, you can still see through it.
Yeah.
At nighttime with lights, you can see straight through. So.
Okay.
Like.
But yeah, y'all, the camera had cut off. Like I said, I didn't ever know this truck had the 5th wheel on it.
So when I do get the bigger tires, I'm actually gonna have to change out this because it's too small.
Yep, definitely. She definitely gonna have to do it. So you're gonna have to buy 5 rims, really.
Yep,
to make it right. She got to. It's only
eventually 5 rims. We're gonna start with the 4th one.
She said the 4th.
And just put the big tire on it.
Yeah. And then she had a spare from there. Then she get the other rim, have a mess in the back. But she got the that's the new Instagram. Cause some of y'all was saying I can't find the Instagram. Y'all comment. This is the new Instagram. So y'all make sure. Go follow. Hey, look. Let's run it up. Now, last time, where you at right now? You at 8,000.
Yeah.
Like let's get it to 10. Let's get it to 10,000. 10,000, man. I know y'all rock with me and everything. Let's see her thing jump up to 10K. Let's see it jump up to 10K. 10,000, man. She need crossover. She official pro now. She is official pro now. She got to hit 10K, man.
I appreciate it, y'all. If y'all help me reach that 10K.
10,000.
For real. And then y'all can also make this one. You know, Iron Body Fitness. That's the business name right there. So
it's the business page, Iron Body Fitness.
Yep.
So y'all go follow that too. Go follow that too, man. Let's get the numbers up and all of that good stuff and everything. So I had to show y'all her Jeep though. I had to show y'all it's a nice.
My bar, my running bar, you know.
Oh yeah, everything. So it's a nice piece. The interior, you gonna leave the interior stock?
Oh no, I'm not. I'm gonna actually change it out to red interior. So.
Red interior, okay. It's gonna be nice. Yeah, this bad boy here gonna be tough. I like these Jeeps too. I like that Jeep Rubicon too. You saw the Rubicon? Man, that thing it made me think of a Hummer, baby Hummer.
What I like about Jeeps is that they make it easy for you to do all the work yourself. A lot of this stuff is only attached with rivets. So like,
yeah, that's true.
On the Rubicon, they don't have this part that's connected to the bumper. I can take this off myself if I want to because it's just attached with rivets.
Now,
I haven't done it yet.
Look, she said everything easy to work on except that engine, boy. Hey, that engine up in there, boy. We just looked at it. I said, ooh, wee. Yeah, it's tight. I never looked on the hood of a Jeep, but until today, it's tight in it. I got you. Look, I got you. It just hit me. Well, it'll be. We don't need to mess this up, but when you come all the way up, she doing good. When you need to LS swap this thing.
Yeah.
Go and put that LS engine in there. Put an LS swap in there.
I wouldn't mind.
Man, but yeah, it's tight. She said.
I would even put one of them SVT Jeep Cherokee.
Oh yeah. I ain't thinking about it. Now look, what
Hellcat something.
Oh yeah, now that'll be nice. That'll be nice. Now what the cold air intake on?
Gonna be right here.
Right here, okay. Hey, she got it right off camera too, y'all. I had to show it. But yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all her
Look,
Jeep.
I know what this is, y'all. That carburetor.
The what?
I don't know.
Hold on, wait a minute. What now?
That's my starter.
You said a carburetor. This car don't even have a carburetor on it. No carburetor at all on this.
However, I do know how to still change my oil though if I wanted to.
Oh yeah?
I just don't have the tools to do it.
So you had the tool. Oh, okay. That's a video, y'all. That's when you get back functional, you know, her foot
Right.
when you get back functional, then we might set up something with an oil change. All of that. So
And brake pads.
brake pads too. Okay, we might make that happen. We might make that
I do
happen.
some minor stuff. I don't do major work.
Right.
Leave that to the professionals.
Yeah. Some stuff best left alone. So.
That's what you get.
Her nephew going in back there, having a good time. Man,
You better be.
everybody have a good time at the shop, y'all. But yeah, I'ma check back in with y'all in a minute, man. I just want to show y'all her ride before she headed out. So make sure to go to that Real Talk channel. I want y'all to hear her story for real, motivation. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So checking in, we back. I got a package right here. I got a package. Now this came from a subscriber, a supporter. He hit me up. Oh my bad, y'all. CJ Sharp. He hit me up, man. My phone in the house. We'll call it Instagram. I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna add an Instagram on screen now. So y'all make sure to go follow him. But CJ Sharp, he had DM me, man, and asked for my address. And if you ever want to send anything, man, if you got a shirt or anything you want to send, just a letter, mail, decal or something, you can send it to P.O. Box 1023, Madison, Georgia 30650. P.O. Box 1023, Madison, Georgia 30650. If you want to send anything. But he was like, man, I'm gonna send you a tool you need for your birthday. So I'm like, all right, man, cool. Hey, that's all right with me. You know, I don't get a lot of stuff. I'm usually the one giving, which I don't look for stuff. But I'm opening it up right now to see what we got. Man, I'm actually slime, man. See what we got. We got in here. What is this? Oh man. Hey, I need that for real, man. I'm talking about I needed that for real, man. Hey, he looked out then. Oh yeah. Man, I appreciate you, CJ, for real, boy. Woo woo. Yes, indeed. I needed these. The tool collection has grown. I was just, if some people probably don't know what these is. These are hose cutters, man. Like for those rubber hoses and stuff I tell you about, they make special pliers. This is what these are. This is it right here. You get them knife cuts, man, just boom, smooth cut. Ain't no more using no razor blade, none of that. Those days are over with. CJ put me in the game, man. Hey, I appreciate you a lot, brother. Like stuff like that, man, I really appreciate that, man, for real. No lie, man. I appreciate that, man. Stuff like that make my day, man. It make my day. It's just somebody to think about you and all of that. And just be like, man, Jay need that, man. I appreciate this, man. God, boy, I'm about to have to use these too in a little bit. I'm literally about to have to use these, man. So CJ, shout out to CJ Sharp. Y'all make sure to go hit that Instagram up or drop him a comment or something. Man, I appreciate this right here. Yes, indeed. The tool collection keep growing, man. That's why I said I love y'all for real. I love y'all, man. Like, I feel like everybody family on this channel. I really do. Somebody said on my Instagram, not my Instagram, my Facebook, like, man, I feel like I know you, man. I ain't never met you. I'm like, that's how it is. Every time I meet one of y'all, whether it's we might run into each other somewhere, or it's at the track or at an event, big rim event or something. We sit up there and chop it up. Everybody I have met, I chop it up like I already knew them, like I done met them before. Like, it crazy. That's why I said, man, I got one of the, I don't have one of the biggest channels as far as the vlog channel, but when I say I got one of the most loyal and solid support systems, I really do mean that. I got some solid people. you have a hard head come in every now and then, but we ain't studying them. But it is what it is. But yeah, man, I really appreciate that, CJ, man. It's a good birthday gift, man. I appreciate that a lot, for real. They're gonna get used. So yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and get the editing and stuff. Definitely, like I said, shout out to Terry for coming through, getting it in. We got some videos in and stuff. Like I said, she got a sick, that Jeep nasty, for real. I like that Jeep. That thing nasty. It's gonna be nasty when she get done, y'all. Gonna be nasty when she get done, man. It's gonna get it documented on her channel. So yeah. And this week coming up, you coming up out of there. Engine is coming up out of that bad boy right there. So y'all look forward to that. Engine coming out and it's going where it's going. It's time to put that in. Yes indeed. So yep. That's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.